I'm going to show you guys my favorite stitch, the half double crochet. Hey everyone, it's Samantha with SJ Lopez Designs. If you're joining me today, it's because you want to learn that half double crochet stitch, and you've come to the right place. Before we get started, I just want to make sure that everyone knows how to do a chain, and it's really good to also already know how to single crochet. In case you don't, I have a link up above. It is a tutorial of mine on chaining and single crochet. About to get started on our half double crochet tutorial. At the end of the video, I'm going to have a side-by-side comparison of single crochet and the half double crochet. That way you guys can see what they look like, and we just kind of can talk about the noticeable differences in the stitches. For this tutorial, I'm just using my 4mm crochet hook. I'm using some spare yarn of mine, and then I'm just going to show you how to form a half double crochet. I've already got my chain here. I'm gonna go ahead and work my first half double crochet right in here. I'm not really gonna touch so much really on how to hold the hook or the yarn because so many people hold both a little bit different whenever they're working their stitches. You really just have to like find out what is most comfortable and what works for you. And I do promise, like, if you're very new at this, it takes a while to like get into like a routine of how to hold everything. So but anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So again, I'm skipping this chain. I'm going to go ahead and work into this one. To work that half double crochet, you're going to yarn over and you're going to insert your hook into the stitch. If you can see, I have 3 loops on my hook. And then you're going to go ahead and yarn over. You're going to pull through this first loop, and then you still have 3 loops on your hook. This is when you're going to yarn over again, and you're literally going to pull straight through all of the loops. And that is your first half double crochet. And I'm just going to show you guys that again. We're going to yarn over. Here is my next chain. I'm going to insert the hook. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through that first loop. I've got 3 on there again. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through those as well. And you can see there is that first half double crochet. There's the second half double crochet. So let's watch that again. Yarn over, insert my hook through the chain. I'm going to pull that yarn back through there. And then I've got 3 loops on my hook. And I'm going to pull through all of those, and you just work down the line here. Got 3 half doubles completed. This is actually my most favorite stitch to crochet. It's easy, it's not as small as a single, and so it works up faster, but it also doesn't have like the gaps that you'll get whenever you work like a half double, or sorry, whenever you work a double crochet or even like a triple crochet. But this is what they're looking like so far. I've heard many other people say too that they really enjoy the half double crochet stitch. And if you just want to do your chain and then like practice these down, and then before you know it, you'll be like a professional at these. And then just keep watching too, because I'm going to get these done, and then I'm going to just do a single crochet and I'll hold them side by side. That way we can kind of like compare. That way whenever you're like going back over a pattern that uses multiple stitches, you can recognize which stitch that you've been working. I'll just work my last stitch right there. Here we go. Here's my half double crochets. Okay, so here's both those stitches side by side. You can see our single crochet right here. Our half double crochet is done right here. They both are very easy stitches to work. However, you can really see the size difference from this one to this one. And if you're making like a blanket or you're doing a plushie, whatever kind of project that you're working on, you're going to get a much bigger size, or it's going to work up a lot quicker if you're working this half double crochet versus your single crochet. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, hit that like button, please subscribe, that way you can catch all of my free and upcoming tutorials and videos. Thanks for joining me. Bye guys.